Today, I'll share a life hack with you on how to grow nails without filing the natural ones. I'll be using top forms for extensions. I'll also show you an amazing crystal design and nail leveling using liquid polygel. To start, I'll remove the old material. I'll be using a fine-tipped and notched red drill bit as it's less traumatic. On the ring finger, I'm taking off about half of the length so I can extend it later with clear gel. After working with the file and then the drill bit, set at 12,000 to 15,000 revolutions per minute, I'm shaping the left side first and then switching to reverse to clean the right sides. Don't forget to thoroughly clean the cuticles from the sinuses. After trimming the cuticles, thoroughly degrease the nail and remove any dust. Then, apply preparatory products. First, use a dehydrator, also known as a fresher. It removes excess moisture from the nail and further degreases the surface. After applying the dehydrator, apply Ultra Bond, a semi-dry brush, and allow it to evaporate for 20-30 seconds. I'll be leveling and strengthening the nails using liquid polygel. As always, I start with a wet bead of the gel. Then I place a drop with some distance from the cuticle and spread it across the nail. Remember to turn the finger to create the correct shape. During the gel application process, I always rely on a fine brush to help me. It allows me to reach those hard-to-access areas. And in general, a fine brush is my best friend during the process. I always cure the gels in the lamp for about 1.5 minutes since it's a solid material, especially when it's colored. It's better to be cautious to ensure the quality of my work. Now, let's move on to our crystal nail design. First, I select a tip that matches the size of my nail. You can even go for one that's half a size larger than the nail. I then apply gel to the tip. I wanted to add some vibrant colors here, so I'm using a pink color for the edge. And now, the magic begins with our crystals. I simply attach them to the nail, picking them up with a UV flashlight nearby to prevent them from drying or moving. I use a fine brush to help me bring the color close to the cuticle, and then cure it in the lamp. Well, that's it. We're finishing up this beauty with a non-sticky top coat from Valerie. We cure it and admire the result. It turns out you can create a crystal nail design without compromising the full length. How do you like this manicure? Write in the comments. And thank you very